Hi everyone, welcome back to the Auto Pulse, your one-stop shop for everything on four wheels. Today, we're diving into something that's been stirring up a lot of excitement lately, the 2026 Toyota Baby Land Cruiser. That's right, Toyota is going back to its roots with a compact, rugged off-roader that combines the spirit of the legendary Land Cruiser with a smaller, more accessible package. If you love 4x4s, ladder frames, and bold styling that screams adventure, you're going to want to stick around. So, what exactly is the Baby Land Cruiser? Officially, Toyota hasn't confirmed the name yet. It might land under the Land Cruiser FJ, or even a revival of the iconic FJ Cruiser nameplate. But whatever it ends up being called, it's clear this SUV is designed to sit just below the full-size 250 series Land Cruiser in the lineup, offering a more compact and affordable entry point into Toyota's heritage-rich off-road family. Let's start with the design. The 2026 Baby Land Cruiser doesn't just borrow inspiration from its bigger sibling, it fully embraces that boxy, upright, go-anywhere aesthetic. Think of it as a mix between the new Land Cruiser 250 and the retro charm of the FJ Cruiser. It's tall, it's square, and it's unapologetically rugged. You've got round LED headlights, a strong horizontal grille with Toyota spelled out boldly, chunky wheel arches, and a rear-mounted spare tire, just how it should be on a proper off-roader. This thing isn't trying to be a soft crossover. It looks like it could climb a mountain and then take you to dinner afterward. Underneath that tough exterior lies something enthusiasts are going to love, a ladder frame chassis. That's right, Toyota is not cutting corners here. This is a real-deal off-roader, built on the TNGA-F platform, which it shares with the Tacoma, Tundra, Sequoia, and of course, the full-size Land Cruiser. This platform gives it serious structural integrity, higher ground clearance, and proper off-road credentials. Combine that with standard four-wheel drive, selectable drive modes, and likely options like a locking rear differential and skid plates, and you've got something that's far more than just a stylish SUV. Now let's talk power. While Toyota hasn't officially confirmed the engine lineup yet, there are some strong indicators. The most likely base engine will be the 2.4-liter turbocharged four-cylinder, the same one found in the Toyota Tacoma and Lexus GX. This engine makes around 270 horsepower and 310 pound-feet of torque, which is more than enough for a vehicle this size. Toyota may also offer a hybrid variant down the line, using the iForce Max setup that blends power with efficiency. If that happens, expect torque numbers to jump significantly, which is great news for off-roading, towing, or just powering through your daily commute. Inside, we're expecting a cabin that strikes a balance between durability and modern comfort. Don't expect full luxury here, that's not the mission, but do expect soft-touch materials where they matter, a rugged dash design, and plenty of rubberized surfaces for when things get messy. The infotainment system will likely include Toyota's new 8 or 12.3-inch touchscreen interface with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and of course, Toyota's full suite of driver assistance features like lane keeping assist, adaptive cruise control, and automatic emergency braking. Seating will probably be for 5, with the rear seats folding flat to maximize cargo space. Given its compact size, we're not talking Sequoia-level room here, but it should be enough to pack up your camping gear, bikes, or anything else you throw at it. Roof rails and a rear ladder will likely be optional or standard on higher trims, and don't be surprised if Toyota releases TRD Off-Road or TRD Pro versions with upgraded suspension, all-terrain tires, and extra trail-ready features. Now let's talk price, because this is one of the most exciting parts. Toyota knows they need to hit the sweet spot if this SUV is going to be successful, especially with rivals like the Ford Bronco Sport, Jeep Wrangler, and even the new Suzuki Jimny globally. Early estimates suggest the 2026 Toyota Baby Land Cruiser will start at around $35,000 USD, with more feature-packed trims climbing into the low $40,000s. That pricing strategy makes it highly competitive and opens the door for younger buyers or families who want something tough and capable but don't want to spend $60,000 plus on a full-size off-roader. So who's this for? Honestly, it fills a pretty interesting gap in the market. You've got people who love the look and legacy of the Land Cruiser but don't need a full-size SUV. You've got adventure seekers who want a real 4x4 without breaking the bank. And you've got the nostalgia crowd, people who love the FJ Cruiser and have been begging Toyota to bring something like it back. This new model touches all those bases, and if Toyota plays their cards right, this could become a huge hit, both in North America and globally. The baby Land Cruiser also aligns perfectly with Toyota's strategy to make their lineup more off-road capable and more emotionally appealing. They're leaning heavily into lifestyle vehicles that people feel passionate about, not just transportation appliances. And honestly, it's about time. The off-road segment is growing rapidly, and buyers want more than just fuel efficiency and cargo space. They want character. They want capability. They want something that makes them feel like they can escape the city whenever they want, even if most of the time it's just a trip to Trader Joe's. So when can you get one? Toyota hasn't given a firm launch date yet, but all signs point to a late 2025 or early 2026 release. Expect a full reveal sometime in the next few months, with production likely starting shortly after that. It'll roll into dealerships as a 2026 model, and if demand is anything like what we've seen with the new Land Cruiser and Tacoma, you might want to get your name on a list early. Alright, let's wrap it up. The 2026 Toyota Baby Land Cruiser looks like it's going to be one of the most exciting new SUVs in years. It's got the looks, it's got the capability, and it's got the Toyota badge, which means it's going to be reliable, well-built, and hold its value like crazy. Whether you're a weekend warrior, a city dweller with mountain dreams, or just someone who loves the return of bold, boxy SUVs, this one's worth watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below. Would you buy a baby Land Cruiser over a Bronco Sport or Wrangler? Let us know what you think. This has been the Auto Pulse, and I'll see you in the next one. Stay curious, drive safe, and keep your wheels turning. Let me know if you'd like me to generate a voiceover-ready version, suggest B-roll ideas, or prepare a short version for Instagram or TikTok.